baby na está vulnerável. Na culpa está de desarrollo e está depender de adulto. E pensei, mesmo está cauteloso ronde casa.
Babies, most of their shots don't start until after 6 months. So in that newborn period, we want to make sure that we are really helping to keep that kind of bubble of safety around the infant when their immune system is really weak.
Está importante para turcos na casa estar limpi. Para se limpi frequentemente por usar jabón com água. Regularmente, por usar líquido que mata a maioria de vírus e bactérias. E para desinfectar a casa para 2 viajes de luna por se limpi com bleach ou álcool.
You want to make sure that you go back over it and wipe it down with some soap and water so that they're not accidentally ingesting bleach or one of those other chemicals that you might have used to clean.
Esse controlar ronde casa para coisa eletrônico ou produto nan chiquito que o baby na porquinha de na boca.
You want to make sure that we're doing the things like washing their hands after they've been out and playing and before they eat so they're not exposing themselves unnecessarily.
Fabiola Angela Hernandez, para Noticia.